New device lets people who are blind see in infrared. Gives you vision in complete darkness?
Uh-huh.
That's pretty cool, Will. Break it down for me. What do you got?
So it was invented by Manuel Zahn. And
that's a guy's name? Because he sounds like a villain in a Marvel movie or something.
Hey, man.
Manuel Zahn. Isn't there, doesn't Superman have a guy that he fights? General Zod?
Zod. Yeah. But they were researchers at a German university, and they decided to create this prototype, 3D printed the frame of it, and is able to see in infrared. That's kind of cool.
It's definitely cool, especially for the visually impaired.
Mm-hmm.
In testing, volunteers enjoyed as much as 98% accuracy while navigating planned obstacle pathways. All 5 participants were able to complete the obstacle route in the first run. After 3 runs, they all showed improvement and got faster over time. Mm-hmm. Zahn and Kahn's paper frequently use Microsoft Kinect, a motion detection system that adds additional feature to Xbox as a point of reference. Both are confident their camera and setup will be smaller, less conspicuous, and cheaper to build than a Kinect.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Cheaper to build a Kinect doesn't even cost that much. So they're saying it'll be accessible to a lot of people.
Yeah. And if you can 3D print the frame, then you could just slot it in and you could just wear it.
Cool.
I'm guessing that's what it would look like if...
That seems ambitious. That's very detailed.
Yeah. But apparently this is for meant to see like long objects, like from far away. So you can see the whole environment, but probably not as clear as this.
Yeah, I don't think. That looks really good.
But pretty neat idea, and also looks really cool.
Futuristic. Yeah. I don't want a 3D printed. The thing looks a little sharp. I want a type of very comfortable headset for that.
Yeah, if you're doing an obstacle course as well.
No, I mean when you're going cyborg or whatever, you're trying to get your upgrades.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like in the video game, you get the headset and
you can sand it down, I guess.
It's one of my upgrades.
Okay.
You wouldn't upgrade? You don't want to upgrade your vision? You don't want night vision?
Yeah, I would.
Okay, yeah. It's a little bonus, man.
All right, cool.
Getting all upset